In this tutorial, we'll show you how to order a granule prescription in our new online ordering system, OOS. First, open the OOS in your browser with the internet address oos.lian.ch. The Start page gives you an overview of your last orders in Previous Orders and Open Orders in the shopping cart. To create a new granule prescription, click on the granule prescription icon on the left. You can also click on New Order in the top menu and choose Granule Prescription. Now we are on the Granule Prescription page. We can now perform the following tasks: patient selection, prescription name, prescribing, form of administration, dosage, and usage instructions. These can be done in any order. We'll start with patient selection. Click on Patient Selection. Search for an existing patient in the search field or create a new patient by clicking on the plus symbol and entering their contact details. When you create a new patient, you can also select specific medical conditions that apply to them. The OOS will then check your prescription automatically for possible contraindications using our red flag system. When you're done, save your entry by clicking on the Save button. Click here on Alternative Delivery Address to specify a different delivery address. In our example, we'll use an existing patient. The patient is now selected. You can see the patient's name at the top under your own name. If you click on the person icon next to the patient's name, you can edit their contact details. You can also now add notes to patients. These notes are for your own use. If the person symbol is green, like in our example, that means that either medical conditions have been selected or that notes have been created for this patient. In the field Prescription Name, you can give your formula a name if you want. We'll name our prescription G Stagnation. Now it's time to create our granule formula. Search for herbs or formulas in the search field using either the pinyin or pharmaceutical name. If you see the item that you're looking for in the search results drop-down, click on Enter and navigate using the down arrow key on your keyboard to the desired item. Select it by pressing Enter one more time. You can also use the mouse to select items. Next, enter the amount of the selected item and confirm by pressing Enter. The system returns automatically to the search field so that you can immediately search for the next item. You can click on an herb or formula to find more information about it, for example, the concentration factor. Here is also a link which will show you this item in our TCM database. In the menu next to the search field, you can change the search categories to limit your search. You can also find the formula templates here. In many of the tables of the system, you can select which columns are displayed. To do this, click on the symbol on the right and select which columns are displayed or hidden. Now let's finish our formula. For our example prescription, we will use 80 grams of Jiawei Xiaoyusan as a ready-made or patent formula, and we'll continue building our prescription using the search field. We'll also add Shangfu as a single granule, 5 grams, and also Yujin as a single granule, and we'll take 5 grams. And now our formula is complete. Next, we come to the form of administration. In this section, we'll choose the form of administration and whether it will be used internally or externally. The forms of administration are granules, capsules, 0.4 grams, and tablets, either 0.5 or 1 gram. Granules can also be combined with tablets or capsules. In other words, a portion of the prescription can be in the form of granule powder, and the other portion can be in the form of capsules or tablets. In our example, we will order granules. And now we come to the dosage section. If you don't provide any additional information regarding the dosage, the amount that you have entered into the formula will be calculated as the total and can be ordered like that. The entries for dosage differ according to the form of administration, either granules or capsules, tablets. If you're prescribing granule powder, you can specify the grams per dose, for example 3, and the number of doses per day, for example 3. This is automatically calculated into the daily dose. As soon as a daily dose has been calculated, you will now see the daily dose column in the formula, which shows you the daily doses of the prescribed items. If you enter a treatment duration, the system will calculate the appropriate quantity. If you want to specify a target amount, switch from dosage duration to target amount and enter the desired amount. The system then calculates the corresponding quantities. When dosing capsules or tablets, enter the number of capsules or tablets per dose first. To the right of the input field, you can then see the corresponding amount in grams. Next, the number of doses per day can be defined. The daily dose is automatically displayed for capsules or tablets per day and in the formula in the daily dose column. If you want to specify a target amount, switch from dosage duration to target amount and enter the desired amount. The system then calculates the corresponding quantities. In the next section, we will create our usage instructions. The system will suggest content for the usage instructions for the patient. The content depends on whether detailed dosage information has been entered or not. Without dosage details, the system will automatically suggest a set of instructions. With dosage details, if you have entered dosage details, a set of corresponding instructions will be created. You also have the option to create custom instructions. To do this, open this section. On the right side, you will find additional prepared text segments that you can add into the text field using the Use Template button. Click on the Edit button to make the text field editable. When you're done, save your changes using the Save button. You can also create new usage instructions as templates or change the automatically assigned texts. These functions will be explained in more detail in another tutorial. Here, you can send Leanne or your patient a message regarding your order. Now our prescription is complete. If you want to order additional prescriptions or products for this patient, scroll up to the Order Overview area. Then click on the plus symbol and you can select the desired item. For our example, we're also going to order some Lian Tong Hot. To do this, choose Lian product lines and search in the box below for Lian Tong. Choose Lian Tong Hot. We'll take 2. Confirm again with Enter. Now we have our products and prescription listed in the order overview. To place the order, click on the Order button at the top right of the screen. We hope you enjoy using our new online ordering system.